everyone, welcome back to my channel. Now, excessive tanning can be caused because of various factors. It may be because of the repetitive exposure in the sun, or it may be because of your last beach vacation. But there are a lot of ways to get rid of tanning. You can actually go ahead and buy a lot of products outside and treat sun damage and tanning. But what I feel is that the best and the most effective way to treat sun tanning is to use homemade packs. Now these packs are not only easy, they are super effective and they're all natural. So I'm going to share with you 3 packs that are very easy to make and that can actually be used almost daily to treat tanning that you've got on your body and on your face as well. So let's get started. Take 1 tablespoon each of tomato juice and milk. Mix both the ingredients and then apply it on the entire face and let it sit for 15 minutes before rinsing. The tomato has skin toning properties. It lightens the skin, and milk contains enzymes that removes the tan, cleanses and exfoliates the skin. Now for this pack you need gram flour, turmeric powder and lemon juice. Take about 1 tablespoon of gram flour, a pinch of turmeric powder and 1 teaspoon of lemon juice and make it to get a smooth paste. Apply it on the affected areas and keep it on until it dries. The Besan, which is also called as gram flour, absorbs the impurities from the skin and it contains antioxidants that rejuvenates the skin. Turmeric helps to even out the skin tone and lemon juice removes tan. Apply a thick layer of honey on the skin and leave it on for 15 minutes before you wash it off. Honey is a natural moisturizer that supplies the antioxidants that reverses the skin damage caused by the ultraviolet rays. So I hope you enjoyed watching this video. And learned a lot of new things which will be definitely very helpful for you for this summer season. And by the way, since a lot of you kept on asking me, just to let you know, this is my natural hair. This is how my natural hair looks like. I washed them yesterday and I haven't done anything on them because I was too lazy to set or straighten them. So I just sat and shot this video. But yeah, that's how my natural hair looks like. Okay, that's it. Let me know if you try these packs in the comment section and let me know what you thought about them. Like, share and subscribe, and I will see you very soon. Bye!